including collaboration, consists of almost 39 plays, 164 sonnets, 3 long narrative poems, and a few other verses.
These plays have been translated into very major living language and are performed more often than any other playwright.
Some of the most popular plays of William Shakespeare are Romeo and Juliet,
The Macbeth, Tempest, Othello, and King Lear.
and today we are going to present a play on King Lear.
Scene 1. King Lear enters with servant where his 3 daughters are sitting with their husband.
Please pay attention. King is arriving in the court. Please pay attention. King is going to announce something very important.
I don't want to rule this kingdom anymore. So, I have decided that I will divide my kingdom into 3 parts. And remember, who will be able to please me, I will give him the richest part. Goneril, you are my eldest daughter. What do you have to say about me?
My lord, I love you as much as my life, my beauty, and my honor. I would be more than grateful to have what you offer.
Well, it was impressive. So I have decided to give you the richest part of my kingdom.
Thank you, my lord.
It's my pleasure, my lord.
Welcome. Dragon, what do you want to say about me?
My lord, I love you as my sister, but she has not said enough. Please accept my love for you. My happiness only comes from your love.
Well, it was impressive too. So I have decided to give you the 1/3 of my kingdom.
Thank you, my lord.
Cordelia, you are my dearest daughter. What do you want to say about me?
I can say nothing, my lord.
Nothing. Nothing will bring you nothing. Think again and say.
I cannot put my feeling into words. You gave me life, love me. Of course, I love you,
But what?
but I am not same as my sisters. I will give my husband half of my love. I am saying the truth, my lord.
If this is the truth, then you are not my daughter. Let's go away from here.
Goneril and Regan are very happy, dancing with joy, as King Lear didn't give any property or wealth to Cordelia. We did it! Yes! Cordelia arrives. I know what you are doing. Take care of our father. Don't tell us our duty. You just stay away from us. Yes. Your duty? You are so clever. Oh, really? In time, people will see the truth. We shall also see the truth.
Scene 3. Cordelia is crying as King Lear has removed her from kingdom, and at that time Duke of France arrives.
Dear princess,
Who are you?
don't you know me?
No.
I am the Duke of France.
What about you?
I'm always fine, and you?
I am not so fine.
Why? What happened to you?
Because my father has refused me to consider as a heir of his wealth, and also banished me from his kingdom.
I cannot marry a girl who cannot provide me a handsome dowry.
Sorry, I cannot provide you dowry. I shall not be your wife.
Okay, then I'm leaving.
You may.
Duke of France leaves.
King of France and his family arrives to meet Cordelia.
My dear, how are you?
I am not so fine. How are you?
I am fine. Why are you not so happy?
Because my father has refused me to consider as a heir of his wealth, and also banished me from his kingdom. King Lear enters.
How are you, King?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. Who is she?
She's your daughter, you don't know?
Yes, I remember. I remember that I banished her from my kingdom.
But why did you do so?
Because I don't have tongue like my sisters, but I'm glad with them.
Shut up. You were not able to please your father. So you don't have a right to stay in my kingdom. Just go away from here.
Stop. I had always supported you. From now, you would stay with me. She's my queen and he's my son. Introduce yourself.
My dear princess, don't worry from today. I will be always with you and I wish you a very happy life. God bless you, my dearest.
You may carry on.
Hello, God.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. I've fallen in love with you.
When?
Whenever I had seen you first time.
Oh, really?
Will you dance? I love you so much. Will you dance with me?
Scene 5. As King Lear is not the king of his kingdom anymore, he goes to Bonneril's palace to ask her that would she allow him to stay with her.
Good afternoon, princess.
Good afternoon. What package do you have?
My lord and his 100 troops need shelter to live in your palace.
What? Shelter in my palace? That's never going to happen. Please tell him that I refuse to do so.
I will convey this message to my lord.
Yes, please do.
How are you, my dear daughter Goneril?
I was fine until now, but what about you?
I'm also fine. Do I am a really problem for you?
Yes, you are a big problem. If you live in my palace, then my palace will be in disorder and I would not be able to sleep properly.
Do you really mean it?
Yes, of course I do.
You are hurting your old father and God will definitely punish you.
Punish me? Who will punish me? I have palace, I have property, no one can punish me.
You are too selfish. It's better that I leave from here.
Okay. Disappointed King Lear goes to Regan's palace with some hope that she will allow him and his 100 followers to stay in her palace.
How are you, my dear daughter Regan?
I am fine, and what about you?
I'm also fine. I need a help from you.
What help?
I want that you allow me and my 100 soldiers to stay in your palace.
100 soldiers? What are you talking about? I can allow you, but I will not allow your 100 soldiers.
Do you even know what are you saying? You will not allow my 100 soldiers? They are a very important part of my life.
I don't care about this. Father, it's now your choice. You may stay here or you will leave.
This is really disrespecting. It's better that I leave from here. I didn't expect it from my two daughters.
King Lear is now broken down. Cordelia is with her husband and saw King Lear and came running to him.
Oh man, what to do? My two daughters have really rejected me. Now where I will go?
Father, what happened? Is anything wrong?
Are you my daughter?
Yes, it's me. You don't know me?
Yes, I remember. I remember that I banished you from my kingdom and I really did wrong. God will definitely punish me. Oh man, help me out.
Don't worry, Father. I am also your son.
Yes, Father. You don't worry. We will fight for your sake. You come with us.
Yes,
Cordelia left King Lear and his 100 followers to stay with her.
Regan and her husband are having an argument. Regan. Yes? What happened? What are you telling? I have heard that you and Connery have some relation.
I and Connery have some relation? Shocking. I'm not such type of man.
You are a such type of man.
No, you are misunderstanding me, dear.
No, I am not.
Connery arrives.
Hello, what are you both discussing here? It's none of your business. You just stay away from our life. Oh, I see. I think you and Alvin have some relationship. Relationship? Are you not crazy? I am not a girl like you. What? I am a girl like that? Yes, you are a such type of cheap girl. Oh, you can lie all you want, but I'm gonna tell everything about your relation to your husband. Okay, we will see.
Scene 9. Minnie's servant comes and gives the good news to Regan's husband.
Good afternoon, Prince.
Yes, what happened?
I have a good news for you.
What? Good news? Tell me.
I have arrested King Lear, Cordelia, and her husband.
You arrested King Lear?
Yes.
Cordelia?
Yes.
And her husband?
Yes.
Just bring them in front of me.
Soldiers, bring them over here.
Arrested King Lear, Cordelia and her husband are brought.
Now what we have to do with them?
What we have to do with them? Are you a fool? If I want to become the next king of England, then I need to kill them all.
Think it twice.
I thought of it many times. Kill them.
Soldiers, kill them.
All of three are killed.
Alvin arrived and started having an argument with Regan's husband.
Why are you looking so happy, Regan, husband? What have you done? I think something is wrong here.
What happened?
Yes, what happened?
Today is the most glorious day of my life.
Most glorious day, but how?
Because from today, I am going to be the next king of England.
King, and you, such a fool like you, is not capable of being the king of England.
Mind your language, Alvin. If a fool like you can be the husband of Cornwall, then why can't I be the next king of England?
Mind your language. By the way, where is King Lear and his daughters?
I have killed them all, and if you will come in my way, I will not hesitate to kill you.
You will kill me.
Yes.
I swear, today is the last day of your life. Let the sword decide who is going to be the next king of England.
Yeah, let's see.
Yes, let's see.
The argument went to such an extent that both of them started fighting with their swords. Some soldiers also joined them. Alvin became the next king of England.
As we have seen, Connery and Regan trying to kill King Lear with their words.
But when King Lear wanted shelter, none of them helped them. Their actions spoke at that time. So we can conclude that action speaks louder than words.